Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Django uses a Sqlite 3 by default, and that makes local setup simple and fast. Open Settings. Pi and find the databases setting near the top of the file. Set engine to Django. DB, backends. Sqlite 3 and name to base dir/db. Sqlite 3 if it is not already present. This configuration stores your database in a single file named db. Sqlite 3 in your project base dir. Keep settings. Pi under version control, but exclude the db. Sqlite 3 file from commits when sharing code. After configuring settings, run Python manage. Pi migrate to create initial tables in db. Sqlite 3. Create an admin account with Python manage. Pi create a superuser and follow the prompts for username and email. Start the development server on port 8000 using Python manage. Pi run server 0, 0, 0, 0, 8000 to access the admin interface from your network. Use the admin at /admin to inspect models and data. Make new migrations when you change models using Python manage. Pi make migrations, use Python manage. Pi db shell to open the Sqlite shell or run Sqlite 3 db. Sqlite 3 directly for manual queries. For local development and demos, Sqlite works very well and requires 0 extra services to run. Avoid using Sqlite for heavy production workloads with frequent concurrent writes. It is best for testing and small projects under about 50 writes per second. Backup by copying the db. Sqlite 3 file while the server is stopped, and use vacuum and pragma integrity check to optimize and verify integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.